What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Michelle. I'm super excited today. Today we're going to be using the Beatles nail tip and glue set with the Kiss Impress nails. Now, I use the glue and the light from the Beatles nail tip and glue set, and I put the Kiss Impress nails on. But girl, I made a mistake this go around. This is like the third time I've used Kiss press-on nails. The first two were like a French tip. If you didn't get a chance to see my last video, I'll link that down in the description box for you. I will also have this nail kit link for you. I'm going to try to find this nail set. If I can't find this exact nail set, then I will find something similar. But these are already pre-glued, girl. And I didn't realize that until after I bought them. So I had to take the glue off, but it really wasn't that hard to take off. Like, it just peeled right off the back of the nail. It didn't damage the nail or anything. So I was still able to use them. But just be mindful, because your girl here didn't read it correctly. I was like, no glue needed. Oh man, when I got home, I was just like, I loved that color pink that it was. I just thought it was such a pretty pink. And then I put little black roses on there. I love pink and black together, especially that light pink. I just think that it makes the black pop. So that's why I added the black little flowers. They're just little stickers that you add on. Now, girl, I got these off of Amazon like probably 2 years ago. So if I can't find the exact stickers, I will have something similar linked down in the description box for you as well. But girl, it is like so easy to just like glue these on. You don't have to worry about painting them and all that. In my last video, one of my friends, hey girl, hey, commented and was like, I tried doing this with a darker colored nail. It didn't stick at all. Have you tried? And honestly, I have not tried to use the Beatles nail tip and glue set with a darker colored nail. So I think next go around, I'm going to try it just to see if I can figure out how to make it work, because I love this. I love that you can just glue them on. You don't have to paint them. Like, girl, I hope I can figure out a way to make the dark color ones work, because I really would just, let's go, just glue them on and be done. The painting process, I've gotten better at it over the years, but I still am kind of crappy using my left hand because I'm a right-handed gal. Yeah, hopefully I can figure out how to make the darker colored nails work for you guys. But we'll figure that out next go around in about 2 to 3 weeks. So far, I've been leaving them on 2 weeks. Like, my last set, I think, was on like 16 days. I just took them off and put these on. They were in really great shape. I didn't have a problem with them popping off or lifting or getting caught in my hair or anything. The paint was starting to chip a little bit, but that really didn't bother me, because honestly, I think most of these nails are like supposed to be like 7-day wear anyway. So if you get 14 days out of it, girl, you're doing good. But like I said, I just enjoy doing this because I don't have to paint them. Like, you just literally glue them on and you're done. It's awesome. I've been definitely loving it. So if any of you guys try this out, please let me know down in the comments. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, because that really does help my channel. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And all you're going to need out of the Beatles nail tip and glue set is going to be the lights and the glue itself. Now, I'm going to be adding some stickers. So I got a Beatles Top It Off clear gel polish. And then to start off, I'm going to dehydrate and prime my nails. Now, this is just out of a different kit. This is not the Beatles nail brand or anything. It's just out of kits that I've had from the past. So I'm just going to coat my nails. And then once I get them coated with the dehydrator and the primer, I'm just going to let them dry for a few seconds before I start adding my nails. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Beetles nail glue out of the Beetles nail tips and glue set. And then I'm going to take one of the Kiss nails that I got. And these are just pressed ones. And I'm just going to coat the inside of the nail just a little bit, not a whole lot. Once I get that coated with the Beetles nail glue, I am going to start my light, girl. Don't forget to start your light. And then I'm just going to place it close to my cuticle, but not on my cuticle. Make sure that you have it straight before you stick it under the light. And then I'm just going to hold it here underneath of the light until it shuts off. This light automatically shuts off by itself. And then once this light shuts off by itself, I'll restart it and let it cure again until the light shuts off. So basically each nail I cure it twice. And then I'm just going to restart and let the light turn off, and then I'll go on to the next nail. Okay, same thing. I'm just going to coat the inside of the nail. Start my light. I'm going to press the nail on close to the cuticle, but not on the cuticle. Stick it underneath of the light and just hold it until the light turns off. So I think that the reason why that these work are because they are light colored. Like when you hold these nails up to a light, you can see through them still. And I think that's why this glue works. With these, I have not tried the Beetles nail glue with a fingernail that is not see-through. So I think next go around when I do my nails, I'm going to get something that is not see-through and see if I can get that to work, because I actually did have a friend comment on my last video, hey girl, hey, if you're watching this one, that she tried it with a darker nail and it did not stick for her. So that's kind of sad, but I'm still happy if it works just with the lighter colored fingernails. I mean, the Beetles nail tip and glue set comes with the clear nails, so it's not like you can't paint them yourself. You absolutely can. I just was loving the fact that I could glue these on without having to paint them. Just makes my life a bit easier. And if any of you guys try this, you know, please let me know if it works for you. Turn on my lights and place it as close as I can to the cuticle without getting it on the cuticle, and hold it under the light until it shuts off. And I also find that having the light turned away from me works out better for me for some reason. I'm like, I don't know what it is, girl. When I have the light facing me, it just does not cooperate the same for some reason. I'm like, okay, let's just turn you around. And this is my last nail. I'm just going to coat the inside. I'm going to start my light. I'm going to press down as close as I can to the cuticle without getting it on the cuticle hold. Make sure that you have it straight. So now that I got them all glued in place, I'm going to go ahead and put my stickers on. I just use a toothpick to take them off, and then I'm just going to place them down like this. I just like the color black with this like really pretty baby pink. I think the black just stands out on this color. I'm just gonna place these at the top. And I love to use stickers because I cannot do designs that well. So we need stickers, girl. And then I'm just gonna take the Beetles Top It Off gel coat, and I'm just going to coat my nails. I actually have like a bigger LED lamp, but I am just going to use the Beetle one because I'm being lazy and I don't feel like getting it out, girl. So we're just gonna use this tiny one, which, I mean, it just takes a little bit longer because you have to do, you know, like one at a time. But other than that, girl, it dries the nails just fine. You don't need a bigger lamp to dry just clear coat or anything that you do on top of these nails. You can use just the small light, it's fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my nail file and just hit the very tip of them just to get that little edge off as I fling my stuff across the table. I'm gonna take my cuticle oil. This is my favorite cuticle oil. It smells so good, you guys. I'm gonna link this below too, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. But it's so good. I love it. I love it. It's really nice to add to your lotion as well if you're having really dry areas. It's great to add to your lotion, or I love to just add it straight to my elbows too. Just rub it in, and I'll let it sit for a few minutes, and then I will wash my hands. And this is the completed set, you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I love the way that they turned out. I love the little black roses on the pink. I think it looks so cute. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!